Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable watermark on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I'm going to click on this camera application. And now the camera has been opened and I'm going to show you how you can enable the watermark on our photo. You can go to your setting guys, open up the setting on your camera, and then you can scroll down until you find watermark. As you can see guys, that my watermark is not active and I'm going to enable the watermark. I'm going to click on this toggle button to activate the watermark, and if you want to customize the watermark, we can click on the watermark, and here you'll be able to choose the information to show on the watermark. Okay, you can choose, for example, model name, date, and also time, or you can select one of them like this. You can choose the information to show according to your needs, and for example, I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to select the model name, date, and also time. Okay, then for the model name, you can edit the model name. Okay, you can customize it as you like, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to click on save. Okay, and this is for the date. You can choose the type of the date you want to display. I'm going to choose this one, and for the time I'm going to use this one. Okay, then you can customize the font and also the alignment. Okay, you can see the preview right here, and for the font I'm going to select this one. Okay, and for the alignment I'm going to make it centered. Okay, like this, and I'm going to take a picture with my camera. Okay guys, oops, it's blur. That's okay because this is just for an example. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, as you can see guys, that the watermark has been added to this photo. Anytime you take photo with your camera, the watermark will always add it to your photo or video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enable watermark on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.